as we celebrate this 10 years, we honor not only this milestone, but the people, the experiences, the lessons, even the gains and losses we've had over the years. Kayo po ang tunay na puso ng ATAP. The heart that kept this association alive and upholding the image of Puerto Princesa as the best destination in the country.
Your work has profoundly contributed to strengthening our tourism industry and elevating the visitor experience in Puerto Princesa.
The accommodations you provide, the services you offer, and the experiences you create are what shape the memories of every visitor here in the Philippines.
ATAP plays a pivotal role in the tourism industry of the city as the only organization for the accommodation sector.
What is 2026 for ATAP? The lightest way possible that I can describe it is we'll be more active and front forward. We will be at the forefront, being one of the heaviest invested industry in the tourism sector of Puerto Princesa.